What's up, YouTube? Today, performing an oil change on the Beast. Already started the bike. Excuse the noise in the background. We having a big ass windstorm here in the DMV today. But already started the bike, let it run for a second. Now I'm just about to drain the oil out. Put a new filter on, put a new drain plug on it. Put the new oil in it, fire it up, let it run. Go ahead and put some lube on my chain. Looks like a little bit of rust going on in there, so we're gonna, kind of do a little bit of maintenance and get the bike ready for the summer. And I just got to buy my brakes, new tires, and another secret that I'm adding to the bike, but y'all won't know about it. But she'll be ready to go. Trust me, she already ready, but she's gonna be better than before. About to drop his oil. Already got the boat halfway out, so you can see it's right there, right there. Already got it halfway out, so what I'm gonna do is just turn it. Hopefully I won't get burnt, but the oil wasn't the bike wasn't running that long for it to start burning me, but if it does, oh well. There we go. That oil's nasty looking, black. Whew. So, about to show you what it's my new oil filter. It's gonna go on, take that off, put some oil in there. It's my new drain bolt from Moto D Racing. I love their parts. Pretty good. I use them all the time. I just bought my bar ends from them that I installed. Now I just gotta put my bar and mirrors on because I tried, but one of the bolts on it stripped, so I had to take that back. I had to drill the bolt off that mirror. And so I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get another screw for it. And as you can see, my mirrors are not there anymore. But yeah, so we're gonna install this new plug on the bike. So it's time to get this oil filter off. Headers might be a little hot. They doable, they ain't that hot. So let's try to get this oil filter off. Gotta be careful not to strip this, because then it's harder to get off. And it feels like it's already trying to strip. Already. Have to put me like a piece of rubber in here or something. So hold on. So when you switch your headers over on your BMW, you don't get much room. Like the stock headers drop like down here, so you can this far back, like not too far from the oil cooler. But when you put headers on, you don't get much room to work with to get that oil filter out. So luckily I had a pair of these laying around. And as you can see, the oil filter got damaged, but I'm not using it anymore anyways. I don't care. And K&N needs to do better, man. K&N needs to do better because the damn screw at the end where you put a wrench onto always strips every time when you try to take these joints off. So now it's gonna spin off. We're gonna get some oil drip. And there's your old oil filter. Old oil filter. Now I got oil dripping everywhere, so bear with me, I gotta clean up. I'm gonna put this new oil filter on here because we still got some drains, some drippings going on. So bear with me. So if you know, you're gonna take oil, put oil inside the oil filter and around the ring when you put the new oil in. And so today we're going with liquid moly. But today, where every time I change my oil, I go with liquid moly's favorite oil. It makes my beamer run in prestige condition. And when I race, I love this oil. It treats my bike so good.
Whew, that took forever.
But we got it. We got it on there.
That was annoying, but we did it.
Time to install a new drain plug for Moto D. Should be just very simple. Easy.
Very easy. Going right on there.
All right.
Filter back on.
And the drain plug back on. So what's next to do? Just put the oil back in the machine and we good to go for now for the oil change. That oil has been changed. She's ready to go. She's ready to go.